You asked how to buy shares of Adagio Medical Holdings Inc., a clinical stage company developing therapeutic apheresis and plasma-based treatments listed on NASDAQ under ticker ADGM. This information is educational only and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account. We'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically by uploading an identity document, and then add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search and type the ticker ADGM to locate the company listing. Make sure the search result shows Adagio Medical Holdings Inc. and the NASDAQ market before opening the asset. On the asset page, review the company's basic profile and the price chart to confirm it is the right stock. Verify the listing details and the NASDAQ exchange tag before proceeding. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may queue or execute at market open, and the platform will request additional funds if your balance is insufficient before confirming. After the trade, you will see the new position appear in your portfolio. For the example linked to eToro, check the description below.